The secret to self-worth after trauma. The secret to rebuilding self-worth after trauma is simple. 1. You must stop seeing yourself through the eyes of the person who hurt you. The pain truth. 2. Trauma rewrites your identity. It makes you believe you're hard to love, when the truth is, you were just deeply wounded. 3. The mind reset. Healing begins the moment you choose to question every negative belief that pain planted in your mind. 4. The core secret. The real secret? Self-worth isn't something you find again. It's something you rebuild with intentional actions. 5. The shift. You rebuild it by keeping promises to yourself, by choosing peace over chaos, and by refusing to shrink yourself for anyone. 6. The empowerment. You don't heal by going back to who you were. You heal by rising into the version of you that trauma tried to destroy. 7. The reminder. Your worth never died in the trauma. It just got buried under survival. 8. The final push. And now, it's time to rise. Not as the wounded version of you, but as the powerful one. If this message spoke to you, subscribe, like, and comment for more healing truths with Limitless with Kinsel.